What's going on, everybody? I'm Brandon Mullins and we back with no slack, and in this video I'm going to show you guys the ultimate Facebook ad campaign strategy that I use to get leads, clients, and traffic to my clients' websites like clockwork. Now let's get into the video. Alright, really quick before I go into my PC to show you guys the strategy, I just want to thank everybody who subscribed to my channel so far. I'm at 45 subscribers and I think it's only been a month. So I'm super grateful, and I thank everybody, every single one subscriber who has subscribed. That really helps me and supports the channel. But if you're new to the channel and you want to know more about growing your business through social media marketing, especially paid marketing, then please hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell on the side so you don't miss out on my next video. Now let's go ahead and get to my PC so I can give you guys true value. What's going on, guys? Brandon Mullins here, and in this video I'm going to show you guys a proven strategy for your campaign ads that really work and help you bring in as many leads as possible and also as many customers as possible. So the first thing you want to do is there's 3 steps you have to take that goes into this process. And the first thing you want to do is for your first ad, you want to make a piece of content that basically just introduce your target audience to who you are. And this is targeted. So when you go into Facebook and you're doing a target it pretty broad, but don't just do anybody. So target a few interests based on your demographics that you have on your ideal customer/clients. And you basically want to just solve a problem. So answer some questions or create some type of content that that your demographic will relate with and they will find value in. Don't offer or do any call to action. You pretty much just want to say, hey, for more information, check me out. And that's pretty much all you do. And the purpose that this video serves is just to build a audience. And from that audience that you build from all that information, based on people who view the video or consume the content for a long period of time, you retarget those people with a value added ad. Now this is where you put in your offer, irresistible offer. So a free ebook, or free session meeting / case study template, just something very enticing, something that you know from your audience that they will actually find value from. And this builds more trust. And in order to do that, in order for them to get this offer, they have to exchange for their information. So you see to send to a landing page or a website where you can capture their name or email, and this is where you either capture the lead or you can generate a sale. And going on to that, on a landing page / lead form, if you're not using a lead form in Facebook, you can install a pixel on your website which tracks the activity and allows you to retarget those people. So, and that's just the overall strategy on a small scale. And when you want to scale it up to even more, you can retarget these people, retarget the first video even more, and build even a bigger audience and refine your audience by retargeting and just providing more value. And with this value added ad, say someone just watched the video but didn't put in their information, you can just remind them of the offer that you have or make a better offer and just continue to provide more value within the video that you're providing. Same here. Say for instance someone goes to your website and they didn't either make a purchase or opt in for offer, remind them of the offer again, or remind them that they forgot to put in information or something like that, and make a better offer. So this pretty much sums up the overall strategy. So just to recap, you want to do a targeted net just to get their attention and build audience. Provide a offer that can capture the leads but also generates sales. Capture the lead and generate sales, and also provide value. And then just track your landing page, and the people who don't really convert, just follow with those people who did not pretty much finish. Just in the beauty, and it just always continue to follow up. So yes guys, I really hope you found value in this video. So yes guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video provided value to you in any shape or form, and if it did, then please share this with someone who you believe that would find value from it, and give it a like. And for more information, please go over to my page and check me out, or subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.